One of the biggest structural choices you make for your business is your accounting method. Cash or accrual. It dictates exactly when your income and expenses are officially recognized on your books. If you selected the wrong option during your initial setup, or if your accountant recently advised you to make the switch for tax purposes, you need to update your master settings. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to change your company-wide accounting method, plus a quick trick to toggle it temporarily on your reports. Let's get to it. To permanently change how your QuickBooks handles your financials, head all the way up to the top right corner of your screen and click on your master gear icon. Under the very first column labeled Your Company, click on Account and Settings. Inside your Settings menu, look over at the left sidebar and click on the Advanced tab. Right at the top of this page, you'll see the Master Accounting section. Glide all the way over to the far right of that row and click the text option that says Edit to expand your hidden choices. With the section expanded, look for the drop-down labeled Accounting Method. Click into it and switch your selection to either cash or accrual, depending on what your CPA recommended. Once you've made your choice, click the green Save button right inside that window. The section will automatically close up, and your master company settings are instantly updated. Now for a quick pro tip. What if your master setting is cash, but an investor wants to see an accrual report just for today? You don't need to change your master settings. Whenever you pull up a standard report like a profit and loss, look right up near the top settings bar. You can simply click the accrual or cash button right there, hit Run Report, and QuickBooks will instantly convert the math just for that specific view without altering your core company data. Whether you are doing a permanent overhaul or a temporary report shift, keeping your accounting method accurate is crucial for clean books. If this setup guide helped you today, drop a like, subscribe, and consider hitting that join button to support the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.